Jacob.
What the hell is that? You just keep hitting the lights. They think the lights are the sun, but I can't turn them off. I can't see the gear. There's gear all over here. And if I run over anybody's gear, I get it into my wheel, they can shut the boat down and could possibly seize up one of my main engines. That's not good.
With seabirds using natural light to navigate.
What is this, some kind of omen or something?
Jake's 1,000-watt, 1-foot sodiums disorient the fowl.
Oh, God. Hey, Mason, I'm gonna need a damage report.
Yeah.
I can see wires hanging. I can see all kinds of stuff broken.
Oh my God!
That was absolutely insane. An entire flock of birds hit my mast. Now, I've seen like a random sparrow hit something, but... All right, Mason, give it to me straight on the damage report.
They pulled a bunch of wires out. The center sodiums are busted, the port sodium's busted, and then the starboard LED outward.
$9,000 in just lights alone, all new wiring plus time. You're at like $16,000, $17,000 of damage from a 10-minute bird bombardment. All I can do is hope and pray that there's fish here.